hospitals in India are overwhelmed by COVID-19 patients. The virus is spreading faster than ever before in India, despite previous high infection rates in mega cities, which really should have confirmed some protection. So the question is, why is this pandemic sweeping through India at a pace that really is staggering scientists? Daily case numbers have exploded since early March. We currently stand at over 3 lakh today. So what is behind the unprecedented surge? Well, in the capital, the NCDC now says that the UK strain is directly correlated to the surge in the capital.
Different type of scenario in Delhi. We are finding that the UK variant and B1617 variants are still, but the scenario is still unfolding. But we have seen a rise from 28% of UK variant in second week of March, and it has risen to 50% in the last week of March. And if we just try to correlate the surge which we have been observing in Delhi, I think it directly correlates with the type of variant which you are observing.
And let's go across to Arvind Gunasekar, who's been following this story. He now joins us. Arvind, India's massive COVID surge has been puzzling scientists for a while. So in that context, now that you have an official reaction as to what is behind the surge in the capital, put this in context for us. What is the significance of this? And knowing this, how does that help as we go forward? What do our authorities now have to keep in mind or take into consideration as we go forward, trying to fight and trying to put this GD back into the bottle?
Sarah, the government has made public very important data relating to the various cases of variants of concern across the country. So this particular data has been made public in a webinar organized by the Department of Biotechnology on the sequencing of the genomes of the COVID virus. So this is a very important data that has been made public. What it shows is that almost around 15,000 sequencer samples were sequenced for various variants of concern. It shows that somewhere around 1,700 cases have revealed that there seems to be some kind of a variance in the sample. So it shows that somewhere around over 11% of the samples sequenced for the variant clearly shows that there seems to be some kind of a variant, one or the other kind of variant in the samples that have been tested, that have been sequenced so far. Coming to the Delhi, Delhi is a very interesting case, even according to the experts who were part of this particular webinar. What they said is that Delhi shows not just Indian double mutant variant, but also the UK strain is also very much prevalent in Delhi. That's something that experts have revealed in today's webinar. What is very interesting is that according to the data, in the second week of March, almost 28% of the sample sequence showed that it had UK variant. But within 2 weeks, that is by March end, almost 50% of the sample sequenced revealed that it has the UK variant. So that's where the experts are saying that, that's where the scientists and also experts are pointing out that this particular UK variant, the surge in UK variant is directly proportional to the surge in cases in Delhi. So that's what they have revealed in this particular data. Another very important point is over 400 cases of UK variant and also 76 cases of Indian double mutant variant have also been detected in Delhi. Another very worrying state is Maharashtra. Even in Maharashtra also, though in Delhi we are seeing an increase in surge in UK variant, if you could check the Maharashtra, the surge in Indian variant is also seen. Not just Maharashtra and Delhi, even states like West Bengal and also Telangana are also reporting this kind of variants of concern. So that particular very important information has been revealed in this particular seminar. Another very important information that we got to know from the seminar is that both the vaccines are equally effective when it comes to the variants that have been detected so far in India. That's a very good news. Though we are seeing a surge in UK variant and also the Indian double mutant variant, what it has been revealed is that Indian vaccines are very much effective when it comes to the variant also. Another very important point that we asked, that we sought a clarification from the expert from the government agencies, what we are being told is the first variant, the Indian double mutant variant, was detected in December last year. So that's another very important information we have got. So one very important, the takeaway from this data is that the Delhi surge is directly relating to the surge in UK variant. Sarah?
All right, Arvind Gunasekar reporting from the capital, helping solve one mystery, certainly. Thanks so much for that, Arvind.